Good morning all of you. Today we will draw an ellipse by using auxiliary circle method. Let's see how we can draw this ellipse. Right? It's very simple. And let's start. Right? So ellipse, all of you know how to draw an ellipse. Ellipse it's like right, not a circle, but this we call ellipse. So let's today we are going to draw this kind of ellipse. How we can do, right? So the first step, you have to select two axes. First one is major axis and the second one is minor axis. Let's say the data will be given. Let's say major axis 100 mm and minor axis is 70, let's say centimeter, 70 centimeter. Right. It means the first step is you have to draw the major axis. It should be horizontal line. This we call major axis. Right? Major axis. Then you have to select a center point. Let's we call the name O. And here you can say this is 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. So you have to divide into two. Then it will come 10 centimeter. Take 50 centimeter as a radius and draw a circle It's like you have to draw a circle. Right? I will draw a simple circle here. It's like a circle. You have to draw a circle, right? Let's say this is center O, right? So this length is 50 centimeter, and here also 50 centimeter, right? This is major axis. As well as you have to draw the minor axis here. This we call minor axis, and this radius is what will come? 70 divided by 2, 35 centimeter, and here 35 centimeter. So this we call minor axis and major axis. Here minor axis you have to draw another circle by taking radius of 35 centimeter. So you will draw another circle, radius of 35 centimeter. I will trace this one, necessary one. Right? Let's say this is your radius 35 centimeter, and the bigger circle is the radius of 15 centimeter, right? This small circle 35 centimeter, the radius. It means the total diameter of 70, right? As well as the bigger circle, the radius of 15 centimeter, right? Now we have drawn the two circles, right? The next step is, in that circle, you have to divide 12 division or 12 equal parts on that circle. I think all of you know, one circle is equal to 360 degree. So let's divide into 12. So it will come for one division or one section, it will come 30 degree. Right? So you have to divide this circle by 12 division or 12 parts. Right? By using angle, 180 angle or whatever, the compass, by using compass, you can divide this 30 degree. Right? Let's say if you, by using compass, here you can take the radius and you can click here, and from here to here, and from here to take one here, and from here to here. So it means I am dividing the circle into 30 degree, right? As well as here and here and here and here. It means the radius of 30 degree. So finally you have to connect those two, right? Those two. As well as here you have to connect. Right? It's fine. You have to connect this one, right? I am drawing manually, roughly. So when you draw by scale, it will be more smartly, right? So now you can divide. You have divide 12 equal parts. It means one is 30 degree and 30 degree, 30 degree and 30 degree. Likewise, you have to divide, right? By 30 degree, every part is 30 degree, right? You have divided. Right. The next step is find out the or mention a name. Like take a name here. We will put a name here, one. In this point we will take name 2. This name 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12. Whatever you wish, you have to mention name. This point is called 11. Point number 12, likewise. Right? As well as you have to take a name here also. Here we will take is A. So here I will take name A dash. Here this point 2 dash. This point 3 dash. And this point 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, this one 10 dash, 11 dash, 12 dash. Right? Mark a point. I have marked the point, the external, the bigger circle, like 1, 2, 3, and the internal circle also, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, like this. Right? This is the third step. Then what you have to do? You have to connect vertically by this point. 12 to these 2. You have to connect vertically here. These one. Right? And here, what is 11 and 3 here? 11 and 3. You have to connect vertically, yeah? No need to do this one. So you just connect. And here also you have connected. And here also you have to connect vertically. You have to connect vertically. And here also you have to connect. Right? Right? I think up to now you all understand what I did. First I draw the internal circle and the external circle and divide into 12 equal pieces and name that number. And finally I did you have to connect these 2 points in vertical, and here also vertical. Here already have vertical line, and here you have to connect vertical. So if you want, you can simply draw that like this and here, right? Then next step is take this point. What is internal? Internally, this is 4, no? 4. So here, take this point and 3. Take outside horizontally, right? From here to here, external, and mark this point, right? And here, and extend this line and mark this point. It means the intersection line. You have to mark the intersection line here. Externally, you have to extend the internal circle, right? And here also 2. Here 2. You have to. And here, what is the next point? Here, right? This point you have to mark. You have to mark this point and this point, right? This line and then this line, and then this line. And let's come to this point. This line already here. So I think no need to mark. And let's take this line 8. You have to extend from here. This intersection point, and here also intersection point from external, this line, and from here to here, and from here to here, right? Then this is already have an intersection point, so I think all these points are completed, right? So finally what you have to do, our point, we marked our point here. First look at this you have to take this point as a point, this point and this point and this point, and you have to take this point, this also intersection, this point and this point, this point, this point, and here, and here, and here, and here. So finally, you have to connect all these points by using flexible ruler, or it's better to connect a flexible ruler. So if you connect this ruler by this ruler, you have to connect like this. You have to connect. If you connect, it will come like this, like a circle. It will come like a ellipse. Right? It will come like this. If you connect this, right? Like this. It will come like this. So the finally, this is the ellipse. This is the ellipse. We have drawn by using auxiliary circle method, right? The ellipse should be in dark. The balance, the remainder will be lighter color, right? So that's the method of drawing auxiliary circle method. So it's simple. I hope all of you understand, right? If you have any doubts, right? So let me finish and we will continue with another drawings.